Don't judge others before you know them. There's a story about a 24-year-old boy singing out from the train's windshield. Dad, look at the trees are going behind. Dad smiled, and a young couple sitting nearby. Look at the 24-year-old childish behavior with Fiddy. Suddenly he again exclaimed, Dad, look at the clothes are running with us. The couple couldn't resist and sighed to the old man. Why don't you take your son to a good doctor? And that question was repeated by everyone. The old man smiled and sighed. I did, and we are just coming from the hospital. My son was playing from birth. He just got his eyes today. And at that time, every single person on the planet has a story. And I say, and I wanna recommend you, don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you.